Ka rea Naia Awatea I pōhehe ka uru mai ia ki te mura o te ahi. Engari, nā tana ngā kaunui ki ngā mahi haka, I ara ake mai ia I te ao rongonui.
I have always known that the waiata is beautiful and we always feel it and we sing it with passion, always. But nah, never. I think more so because of where we come from and we're not known anyway, so we just never expect anything to make a statement. So this time, blowing up, yeah, we didn't expect that at all.
Ko Naia rau ko Bailee Tava tērā e tautoko ana I te whakarewainatanga o te kōpaki o Te Matatini. Neke atu I te 53 o ngā waiata me te waiata rongonui mai tā rāua kapa ara ko Te Kuru Marutea. E mua I te tūrama arotahi, he kaihaka noi ho te tokorua nei ki te Tauihu o te waka a Maui.
I tipu ake au ki whakatū, which means whatukura. So whatukura was our starting point. My brother is my haka idol. He is my favourite kai haka to watch the whole time, and I feel like it's a little bit biased, but also I'm like, look at him. And he keeps me pushing. Also, just standing with him in the lines, like that keeps me going back too. But our mama has been like the biggest inspo for us.
Born and bred in Nelson. I've been doing kapa haka since I was about 4 or 5 years old with my Uncle Wayne, Hippolyte, and Auntie Tanya Alasana as my first tutors, and they really helped not just grow an interest in for myself, but for my reanga. But yeah, I think a big inspiration for me has been my Uncle Wayne, because he's still been able to grow with me as well.
Ai ki te hiamana o Te Matatini, ara ko tā heruini parata tērā, he mea nui tēnei kōpaki ki te whakātu I tā rātou u ki te whakamahi te hangarau, kia tūhonohono ai ngā kaihaka ki ngā whānau o tira ki te ao whānui.
As a kaihaka, you don't really go to Te Matatini and kind of go, oh yes, I'm going to go viral, you know. You go there to perform and represent your rohe, and I suppose this was just a bonus, being able to not just represent Te Tauihu, but represent Te Waipounamu as a whole, and yeah, it's crazy.
Ko whai wāhia no hoki ngā kapa e ono o Te Waipounamu ki tēnei kōpaki me ngā waiata mai ngā tū. E waia haere ana te tokorua nei ki te ao rongonui me te whakamihi mai o te marea, nā runga I te taumata o Te Waipounamu ki te Matatini.
We weren't expecting it to blow up, but the fact that it has kind of shed a light on how awesome Te Waipounamu kapa haka is. And you know, we have been here the whole time, and to finally get recognised for our mahi, yeah, just super grateful for that.
It's never really been the goal. Like, we've always wanted, obviously you always want to be acknowledged and recognised for your efforts, but it's never been a goal to like be that group for us. And now that we kind of have a little bit of a taste of that is, yeah, I don't think we know how to navigate it yet, but it's exciting. If I had you back in my world.
Ko rangona te ao o TikTok I ngā reka o Awatea I roto I ngā tau, heoi korite ia.
I feel like there's a bit of pressure now that so many people are watching all of a sudden. I have to put my all into my songs now, not just like little muck arounds and chuck it out, see if people like it, like people are watching. So, but definitely still gonna pursue it.
Ko tō te wā I nai nei, engari, ka re kore, ka rangona e tātou I ēnei reo rōreka, hei ako, ake nei.
Go
Tava.
Tahunis.
Ko te reo, te take.